fasten whilst the seatbelt signs are on. We do also recommend that you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened at all times in case of any unexpected turbulence, and take care of opening the overhead locker in case any of your luggage is moved.